really excited to bring you my latest DIY invention. I call this my ISO loop. Now the ISO loop is particularly handy for my hybrid isometrics, which combine the benefits of both yielding and overcoming isometrics. You can check out this video up here if you want to learn more about that. It's a very simple design. It's essentially just a yoga strap on steroids, and you can certainly use a yoga strap for hybrid isometric training, as I did in that video. Over weeks of using the yoga strap, I found it was a little too short, a little too narrow, and a little bit too hard to adjust. Plus it created more pressure points on my body for some of the exercises, like the isometric lunge. So what I did was I went over on strapworks.com, of course that's where I get all my stuff, and what this is it's 2-inch wide nylon strap, 10 feet long, so it's long enough so that I can run it underneath my bodyweight master or a cable machine, so I can do hybrid isometric training for pull-ups. And it also has these powder-coated D-rings, and the great thing about Strapworks is you can get these in custom colors and stuff, so if you like different colors, then that works too. But it's small little details like that that add up to a much more productive tool, because the pressure points are significantly reduced on the body, so you can push much harder without any discomfort. Adjustment is a heck of a lot easier as well, and it's long enough to accommodate any sort of hybrid isometric exercise you can imagine. Total cost of this thing ran me about 17 bucks with shipping and stuff, and admittedly for a strap, that's a little on the steeper side, but when you consider it's less than $20 for a tool that you can potentially do a lot of different exercises with for years on end, it's pretty good value for money. If you want to check it out, I left the total instructions and details down below in the description, as well as a link to strapworks.com. You can go make your own. Check out the video up here again if you want to get some ideas on some of the exercises. Let me know if you have any questions. Be fit, live free.